Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades, and let's get right into it because I do want to do a bit of Saturday analysis with you guys after the nice trading week that we just got here. And Bitcoin did get a little bit of volatility here. You can see that we actually had a nice little 4-day rally towards the upside, coming right back to previous resistance right around 26,700, and right now Bitcoin is just sitting at 26,500. Now a lot of people are getting very angry and very bullish about about Bitcoin's price mooning up here, and this is the bottom, this is it. Bullish divergence, and again there is bullish divergence, and that was your entry there. If you were going to play this bullish divergence right here, you actually made a lower low, and you made a lower high on the RSI, so a lower low in the price and a lower high on the RSI. You had a beautiful bullish divergence, and then boom, you had a nice little 6% rally off the lows. Right now, the reason people are getting mad is because they want I mean, not people, but like the bullish case is that I don't see this scenario playing out where this is let me just get my chart out here. I'll just delete this for now, so I want to get it cleaned up just a little bit for you guys. I'll show you what the bulls are thinking. So my best guess is that they think that this is a 1-2, and then this is your 3 wave, right? And then this is your 4, and then they want this to be the 5th wave to rally up, to 40, 50K. I don't know what it is, but looking at, the bigger picture, where the traditional markets are starting to top out here, and it actually got a really nice down day today in the Nasdaq, the Russell 2000, and the Dow Jones. Almost everything was down, and then you have oil going up, which is not deflationary, it's extremely inflationary. You have gas prices getting up to new highs as well, or they're pretty close to the all-time highs, right around 74. So again, this is not a bullish for the markets, and if the markets roll over, you will see Bitcoin roll over as well. And then just moving on, looking at Bitcoin on the daily time frame, or even the monthly and the weekly, it's all looking not that great at the moment, right? Just looking at the weekly time frame, you have an 11 and a -2, and it's the same across all the other exchanges. The monthly time frame looking pretty much the worst out of all the time frames here, with a huge massive red dot and big dual band strength index numbers. And I'm not calling for Bitcoin to crash to like $400, right? I'm just saying I'm expecting downside in the short term, which would lead us to go to around 21 to 23,000, which I think would be an amazing buying opportunity, and a bigger finishing of a wave 2, which I think this is probably going to play out. Let me just finish this here. I'll just delete this and I'll get another one going. I'll just show you guys this. I think essentially this was your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you made a nominal high here, which was your 5th wave, and then we are currently coming down in an A, a B, and a C in the C wave. And again, the C wave can extend further than people think, but my best guess at the moment, right, given all scenarios and market conditions, is that we're gonna go down to like 21 to 22,000. Okay, and then after that, once that is done, you're gonna get your bigger count, which is gonna be this bigger wave, right? And then you're gonna come back down in a wave 2. This whole thing was a wave 1. Then you're gonna leave. Oh, sorry, I deleted it right there. So you're gonna come down in a wave 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, right? So that's what you're gonna do here. Obviously, it's not going to end right here. I think the 3rd wave obviously is going to extend much further than anyone thinks, and then we're gonna get a pullback near maybe the all-time highs as we get into April of next year, which would be the Bitcoin halving and stuff like that. But again, the wave 2 can also extend further, and it could chop sideways for a very long time before the halving comes, right? And a lot of stuff can go between. We're not going to go up there in a straight line, and when Bitcoin does eventually go up, it's going to be, I mean, you don't really want to miss you don't want to miss this case, like this entire move here. You want to be in Bitcoin when it comes back down here. And can it go lower? Yes. Can it break the lows? Anything can happen, right? But I don't see that as a probability right now. I think it's a little bit not unprobable that will happen, or less probable, if anything, because I think the markets could be supported once we get back down to 4,200. But anyways, that's what I'm thinking is going to happen. And again, my targets are around 21 to 22. You guys already know that, who are inside the Discord. And again, another pointer is that when you see, let me just pull this up here. When you see comments like this start to come out, let me just pull this up. I'm gonna find it. There we go. I've even pinned it for this guy. So when you start to see, because I posted this bearish video, great short opportunity for Bitcoin in my last video. I just said, you know, I'm just thinking basically what I'm reiterating right now. And then you have these comments or bullish people are really upset about any short positions at all. And he's saying 10K short, 11K short, 12K short, real short, 13K, 14K, 15K, hyper short, 16K short, and then 15.5. Look, I told you, asshole, please study first. You don't know anything seriously. And again, I didn't do any of these shorts, right? If anything, we are shorting at the highs here today. And when comments like this comes out, that's usually when things start to top out, because they want you only want price to go up non-stop. And it's really funny to see them comment things like that. I mean, I just don't know why people get so emotional. The chart tells you everything, and if he's getting that angry about such a small thing, just analysis on the market, it kind of tells you that he's probably been long from the highs here, or I don't know, he's probably still holding some leverage trades in a huge loss. But anyways, we can move on, and we can also take a look at big money, where big money is positioned. And I just got the update of the commitment of traders report, and you always want to follow commercial money because they are always right, or not right 99% of the time. And now commercial money, right now they have added 12 contracts to the long side. So there you saw them actually add a little bit to the long side here, and now they are long 117 contracts. And right now they have added another 21 contracts to the short side. And this is, they are short 2,660 contracts. So net commercial money is net short by an overwhelming amount, by 2,660 contracts, right? And then the non-commercials, this is hedge funds, mutual funds, pension funds, stuff like that. They are usually wrong at the beginning, but sometimes they can get it right as well. But I don't follow any of these ones. You only want to follow commercial money. And then you have non-reportable positions, which is retail money, dumb money. And that's where you can see that they are actually long right now, 1,134 contracts. So they're more long, they're net long compared to short side. So they're more long than short. And they actually removed 84 contracts from the long side. And they actually added 100 contracts to the short side here. But they're still more long than short. So that just tells you where the stupid money, the dumb people are positioning themselves at the moment, thinking this is a market cycle low, and that we can't go lower than this. And again, that is wrong in my opinion. I think we are going to go lower, but we'll see what the market does, and if anything changes, then I'll let you guys know. And if you guys want to get access to some great trades, if you guys day trade crypto and like to use a lot of leverage, Hayden is always posting amazing trade setups. Longing ADA here, and I think he posted a Solana short the other day, a Solana short, and he actually nailed this one right on the head. He's actually up 57%. So congratulations if you guys followed Hayden's call. You guys are going to be getting some nice gains. And again, he's always posting trade setups every single day of the week, and you guys can get access if you sign up with the link in the description. Okay, and then moving on, I think looking at wave edge here, looking at wave edge on the daily time frame, I don't see any type of bullish green cross or anything like that at the moment. If I look at it on the weekly, we got that green cross the other day, but nothing has played out so far. Everything's just kind of chopping sideways, And if I look at the 4-hour time frame, if we get to the smaller time frames here, maybe even like the 12-hour. The 12-hour has been good too for giving some decent signals in terms of longing and shorting, similar to the daily. And right now, we got a red cross right here, similar to the red crosses we've had at previous highs. And again, it has led to some significant downside, in the coming weeks and days. And you guys can see that right now, we just got another red cross here, and the price, my opinion, is going to start moving along with Elliott wave, and all the other indicators are signaling that this is most likely just another fake rally to get a lot of shorts to close before the real move comes, and get a lot of longs, dumb money to start get this price pumping up again. And again, this doesn't mean that the price can't go higher. Again, the B wave is very well known for being hard to top out, find a top in it. And again, right now, if you just look at it, you can see that this is potentially a B wave high, but the B wave can extend higher, right? It can even come back up to this resistance level, and then we can start to go down from there. So it doesn't mean that we're done right here right now, although it very well could be. But again, you always want to have that idea in your head that nothing is ever guaranteed, even with Elliott wave. And then looking at the 4-hour, we can see that we have a bunch of red crosses right now. It's not looking that great. And again, we'll take a look at the 1-hour, which a lot of people like, because you get to see when the whales accumulate, right? When they accumulate their positions, and when they start to dump them, when the market's going sideways, accumulation, and then dumping, and then accumulation, and then we'll have to see if on Monday they start to dump it, and the price will go down from there. Right, so that's basically my 2 cents. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Hopefully I get some nice, very bullish people in the comments again telling me how stupid I am. But then we'll see when the market comes down, and then we'll see how stupid I am then. But anyways, that's my update, and I'll post the link for Hedgeline trading in the link in the description, because I noticed that I actually didn't post it the other day. But hopefully you guys can get that stock market analysis too, which I'm going to be posting another video today as well on Hedgeline trading. All right, you guys have a wonderful day. Enjoy your weekend.